Introduction to Saramoly machine. Today we are going to introduce you to engine internal cleaning machine. It gives repairers the ability to clean engines properly, extend vehicle lifespan, and deliver a noticeably better result, all with minimal effort and maximum return. This is crucial because, despite regular oil changes and high-quality lubricants, internal engine parts inevitably accumulate carbon and oxidized oil residue that traditional maintenance simply can't remove. That's when customers start complaining. They'll say, "My engine sounds rough," or "the car feels heavier than before." You'll hear metallic tapping, uneven idling, or see the RPM needle jump when accelerating. What they're really experiencing is sludge restricting movement, parts rubbing harder against each other, valves sticking, and friction building up. The car feels like it's dragging a heavy load, forcing the driver to press harder on the pedal just to get normal power. This machine is a game changer for serious repairers who want to deliver cleaner, longer-lasting results to their customers. It connects directly to the engine's oil filter port in just 2 minutes, and with the engine running, it safely flushes the entire oil system, not just the sump, but every oil passage, bearing surface, and gallery. It comes equipped with an oil pressure gauge and flow indicator to let you monitor the cleaning process in real time, ensuring the system runs at safe, optimal pressure. What makes it even more valuable is its ability to purge residual oil trapped deep in the crankcase and oil galleries, areas where normal draining can't reach. It also helps to prime the engine, preventing dry starts after an oil change, which can otherwise cause wear to bearings and components. As you can see, the dirt in the engine oil is filtered out into the filter, planning the carbon in the engine oil. With this machine we'll have to come with motor flush solution and filter to come along for the full set of cleaning experience. You may think it may not be essential for your workshop or user. When you do a normal engine oil change, only about 80% of the old oil is removed. The remaining 20% stays inside the engine and mixes with the new oil, making it dirty faster. Even with a motor flush additive, some dirty oil still remains. An internal engine cleaning machine is different. It uses pressure circulation to remove almost 100% of the old oil and contaminants, but it can enable as a premium maintenance package, different from a normal oil change. Customers will immediately feel the improvement in their car's performance: smoother acceleration, quieter engine, cleaner oil for longer, and that satisfaction turns into repeat business and strong word-of-mouth referrals. You're not just offering an oil change anymore, you're offering a complete engine care solution. That's what separates a repair shop from a true service professional.